Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Odile from Barbie Swan Lake and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it black. And for this hairstyle, you're going to choose the only bangs. And here I have done little adjustment. Okay, you can adjust it like this, just for the position. Okay, and then you're going to go to the changing room. I'm going to go to the changing room here, and then I'm going to wear the corsage from the witch set. Okay, this one. And I'm going to choose the sleeves as well. And I'm going to go to the coats item. And I'm going to select this skirt. But I'm going to choose toggle 4. Okay, and then we're going to color it with the black color. Alright, and the next one, I'm going to go to this menu and select this dress from the style showdown. So make sure you have gotten this dress. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the sleeves from the Withered Rose set. And again, I'm going to make it black for all the previews or all the selections. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to choose this top from the Madoka set. And I'm going to remove the details and I'm going to remove the bows. Okay. Oops, sorry guys, for the details, I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to make them all black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the next area. I'm going to go to the VIP room and then select this item. This one. Alright, and then I'm going to remove the cape and I'm going to make it black. Okay, I'm going to combine the black color with the brown color. This brown. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to make it black. Alright, and this is for the final result, guys. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Odile from Barbie of Swan Lake. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!